wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 8 best dermatoscopes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. It's probably not ideal for professional use, but the Firefly DE350 might be a good tool for anyone wanting to keep tabs on their skin at home. The software lets you store, examine and measure images so you can monitor the status of moles over time. It comes with multi-layer glass lenses and an automatic white balance. However, the image resolution is not great. At number 7, the dermlite 3 DL3N is simple to operate, thanks to the ability to switch between polarization modes by simply pressing the power button. That's a good thing because the manufacturer doesn't provide much in the way of instructions. It is very bright thanks to 28 LEDs and made of recyclable aluminum, but it's also on the heavy side. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Boasting a long battery life, the dermlite DL200 Hybrid also saves you from draining it accidentally by having an automatic shut-off. The body is easy to clean and it includes a retractable spacer mechanism. However, it is somewhat expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dermatoscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the tiny dermlite carbon microscope can be stashed in a pocket without weighing you down. It packs an impressive 16 polarized LEDs, which is more than enough to light up any affected area. It comes with a belt pouch, a 15mm triplet lens, and easy-to-operate switches. Halfway up our list at number 4. The dermlite DL100 is lightweight and compact, allowing you to navigate deftly around any area that needs inspecting. The battery is rechargeable, so you don't have to keep spending money on replacements. It features a white light that boosts the image quality and clear views of vascular structures, along with a 10-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the dermlite DL1 enables you to keep your hands free while you're examining patients, as it clips onto your shirt. It attaches to a wide variety of smartphones too, in case you need to take a few photos for review later. It's a little larger than a stick of gum and can recharge by USB. The faceplate incorporates a 10mm ruler. At number 2, for professionals who want something with a wide-angle view for general skin exams, the dermlite Lumio has a 75mm lens and offers a 2x magnification. It's powered by AA batteries that should last for a minimum of 250 30-second sessions. It provides a glare-free image and is equipped with 40 bright white LEDs. It's an ergonomic design. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the dermlite DL4 sports an ergonomic aluminum design that's comfortable enough for all-day use, making it a smart choice for busy dermatologists. It features Pigment Boost Plus, which gives you 2 levels of color spectrum for a better look at worrisome spots. It offers 2 brightness settings and a large field of view, and it turns on and off instantly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dermatoscopes, or simply click beneath this video.